Hi, this is Mary.
And Tony.
And we are the RV Nomads 365. And today the topic has actually been a requested topic by a couple viewers. Our kitchen is very small. If you've watched our tour of our tiny trailer, you've seen that we have no counter space. So today we're going to talk about gadgets and gizmos and space savers in the tiny kitchen.
Let's go.
So you probably have some of these items already, but if you're new to RVing, you kind of want to know already, what can we do in a tiny kitchen? As you can see, we've got almost no counter space. We have no room for a coffee maker. We have no room to set any plants or herbs or anything like that. The only things that we do have and leave out consistently are a sponge, our dishwasher soap, and our hand soap. So those are the only items. So how we use our space, first of all, we have this. It's a paper towel holder. And the hubby just attached it up here. And this goes on here. When we're traveling, we take this off and we put it up here, which you can see we use baskets in the kitchen. They hook on right here. We just put it up here. If you don't put it up here, you will come back to find the whole roll down here. It's happened twice. So this goes back here. So that's number one. Number two way that we use our space is we have these little magnet space containers, and they just magnetize up here. When we're traveling, I don't like to leave them because I don't know if they're going to scratch anything up. So what I just do is I take them and I attach them all down here, and then that's how we travel. Get to our destination, they go back. Number three is this little utensil holder that Tony put up. We love this because we don't have a lot of utensils, but these are all the ones that we use regularly. So having them out is great. When we travel, I just take them off and I put them in a cabinet. So number four is sometimes there's awkward space, and we have that down here. It's not a cabinet, it's just a door. So we found a really useful way to use the space in here. See? It's a magnet and it holds all of our knives. Okay, our next item, hold on. Just pushing 200 French press and start. I want to show you how fast it heats up. This is our Cuisinart hot water heater. We use this every day to make coffee, and then we do the French press to make the coffee. So it's super easy, and what I love about it is it heats up super fast, and then when I'm done making the coffee, I just simply take it off, put it on the grill over here, unplug it, and in a minute, see, we'd be ready for coffee. We'd be enjoying a cup of coffee together right now. So let me just stop it. We just move it over there. This is not hot. It's not hot at all. So I unplug it, put it away, and then I make my coffee in the French press.
Okay, I'm getting involved. This is a French press. I'm getting involved in this video because I've broken 3 of these. We used to get, you know, if you ever see them, they're usually made out of glass. And I dropped 2, and one I actually was just cleaning the inside, and I guess the pressure of my hand broke it and I cut my hand. So when Mary retired, we got all kinds of Starbucks gift cards and all kinds of gift cards and stuff. So we actually bought this at Starbucks, and I haven't been able to break it yet.
When I wash dishes, because we have an arrangement, Tony does all the cooking because I don't like to use any spices or anything, and my food is terrible. So Tony does all the cooking and I do the cleaning. So this is a nice big sink, but we've had the kind of pop down holder for dishes when they're drying, but I don't like that because it's bulky and I could never find a good place to put it. So we got this. This rolls out. I do the dishes, I set them here, and then when they're dry, it's so easy. I just roll it back up and put it away. So we love this. And we're going to put links for all the things that we've shown today in the description. Definitely you want to have this. It wasn't expensive and I use it a couple times a day, but we don't have to have anything out, so it's nice.
Hey, thanks for watching our video on gadgets, gizmos, and space savers. If you liked the video, please subscribe. Click the bell, get notified next time we drop a video. Like it, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends. And we will catch you in our next video. Take care. Bye.